The annual International Project Management Day honors the accomplishments of project managers and project teams worldwide. Today we celebrate our project managers' tenacious accomplishments, who earnestly work to finalize diverse sets of projects with efficiency and grace. On their special day we asked them some interesting questions. What is your favorite part about working as a project manager at DevCrew?
The crew and the project. People here working with us share pretty similar interests, so that makes work understandable and manageable.
My favorite part of working in DevCrew is the environment and the work culture that it provides to its employees.
I work best in a collaborative environment, so I look forward to working with various departments to align on and achieve our goals.
What are the everyday challenges you face in your work as a PM?
Project management is tough. Things change, people leave, sometimes stakeholders disagree, but we try to make things manageable within the time. It is a difficult job, but I feel like working here makes me gain new experiences, so it's good.
As a project manager, we need to make sure that the project is delivered on time. For that, we need to keep track of the progress of all the projects and make sure that the team is working really hard, striving their best to deliver the end product to the client in time. Because when it comes to the success of our valuable clients, we never leave any stone unturned.
So dealing with the team members is something really challenging for me. Some team members see project managers as persons interfering micromanagement. So in contrast, effective project managers are nearly invisible, only noticed when their absence results in writing errors.
As a PM, what excites you most?
I think the best thing about my job over here is coordinating with my team, sharing and working on new exciting ideas, and working on platforms like Snapchat and other frameworks. Working here is pretty much cool.
The best part of my job role is the opportunity to contribute to this forward-thinking and exciting company.
I love having something going into production and into voice. There is something really enjoyable to having a project going live.
Here's our message on International Project Management Day.
We at DevCrew not only recognize but also appreciate our project managers' hard-earned achievements. Either it's managing the teams, handling the clients, or working for extra hours. Wishing all the project managers around the world a very happy Project Management Day. Keep rocking.